Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we want to show the top 4 reasons to show that the Pro-Wike Lawmakers does not want peace in Rivers State, as advised by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu when he met with the Niger Delta leaders, telling the Pan Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, to go and help the governor ensure that he implements the judgments of the Supreme Court. These 4 top reasons you will see shows that they do not want peace to reign or for the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment. And it is an indication that they are not in sync with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who in his last outing with the Niger Delta leaders wanted to de-escalate the tension in the state. Number 1, the move by the Rivers State House of Assembly to investigate the state chief judge, Justice Simon Amade, for alleged age falsification. Now, that call to investigate age falsification allegation against Justice Amade followed a motion by the House Leader, Honorable Major Jack, during plenary, and the Deputy Speaker, Dom Lemore, raised an allegation of age falsification against the state chief judge, and the Speaker Amehule directed the Department of State Services, that DSS, to investigate the allegation, saying that Governor Simi Fubara had barred government institutions from being investigated by the State Assembly. Now, why is this listed as a stumbling block in the quest for peace? Is because when you want to investigate the chief judge of the state, it means you want to remove the chief judge of the state. They are looking for an excuse to remove the chief judge of the state. You know why? Because you cannot constitute a panel to impeach Fubara without the chief judge of the state. It is the chief judge of the state that will start the process of impeachment, in terms of if they receive a petition from the assembly that the governor has committed impeachable offense. It is the chief judge that will form a panel for impeachment. So they are going for the jugular by moving against the state chief judge, claiming that he falsified his age. In other words, what they want to do is that they will get DSS to bring a damning confirmation, as far as they are concerned, that he falsified his age. Then they will now send their report to the NJC in Abuja, so that he will be removed, or based on that. But the issue is that if he's removed, then they will demand for another person. That's how they will continue to constitute a stumbling block until a judge will be appointed, who the assembly believe will do their bidding of supporting the impeachment of the governor. That's my thinking. So that's to show that they don't want the kind of peace that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is looking for at the Rivers State. So there is a stumbling block to the implementation of the Supreme Court ruling that the president told the governor to implement, and the governor himself has said, Governor Simi Fubara has said that he's going to implement it. But from the action of the Pro-Wike Lawmakers, they don't want that judgment to be implemented. Number two evidence of posing stumbling block to restoration of peace in River State in violation of the advice of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the passage of the bill to grant River State House of Assembly powers, privileges, and immunity to carry out its legislative duties. What they want to do is that they want to give themselves powers of immunity, powers and privileges. They have those powers. Nobody knows whether those powers are within the limit of what a legislature should be able to do, but they want those powers. They want immunity. You and I know that in Nigeria today, the only people that Constitution had given the power of immunity are only the president, the vice president, governor, deputy governor. But these people want immunity. In other words, they want to have the kind of power that, the kind of immunity that Simi Fubara and his deputy governor enjoys. And you can know what they can do with that. It means they are not ready for peace because they are looking for the same kind of power that the executive governor enjoys. Number 3, proof that they don't want the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment, or they don't want President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's peace process to succeed, is the passage of a bill to repeal the State Independent Electoral Commission. You know that one of the outcomes of the Supreme Court judgment was the nullification of the October 5 local government election, October 5, 2024 local government election. Now the Supreme Court nullified it, and nature abhors vacuum. The River State House of Assembly, the River State Independent Electoral Commission has now fixed August 9, 2025 for the conduct of fresh local government election, because already Simi Fubara, the governor, has started implementing that Supreme Court. He removed the local government chairman that emerged from that process in October 2024 and started the process of election. Now, in the middle of the process of the election, these people have sent a bill to repeal the State Independent Electoral Commission so that they will input inside the law what will favor them, what will favor them and their paymasters. That is apparently what this all about. Therefore, it means that they don't want peace. They don't want local government election to hold in August. They don't want River State to resolve this problem. They don't want Governor Simi Fubara to conduct the next local government election. It has to be done in their own terms. It is either their way or the highway. So there's evidence that they are stumbling block to the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment, and they are stumbling block to the advice of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that Simi Fubara should go and implement the Supreme Court justice, the Supreme Court judgment. Then number 4 is a bill to repeal River State's local government law. Now, this is another indication that they don't want the kind of peace that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was talking about. They don't want the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment, because a bill to repeal the local government election means that they are trying to change the local government law. Already, if you listen to President Nyesom, the Minister of FCT, and that is syndicated broadcast or television interview with several TV networks in Nigeria, he was insisting that the House of Assembly has the power to extend the tenure of local government chairman that was elected when he was governor of River State. So that is what they are planning to do. And that shows you that these people do not want the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment. They want to do things their own way. They don't want to de-escalate the crisis in the state. They want it to continue. They believe it favors them. They believe that it is either their way or the highway. But by doing that, it shows that They don't want the Supreme Court judgment that Simi Fubara has consistently said that he will implement. They don't want President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's order that PANDEF and other Niger Delta elders should support Governor Simi Fubara to implement the Supreme Court judgment. In other words, both the River State House of Assembly and the Minister of FCT are opposed to the order made by the President that the governor of the state should go and implement the Supreme Court judgment so that to restore peace in River State. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will work it hard and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.